Hi guys, today I'm sharing my travels around Northwest Wales. Hope you enjoy the video and thanks again for watching. On the road, you shall see it says Arab, A-R-A-F-D, and it means slow. That was one thing I found very interesting when I got to Wales.
Big old pub, that's quite good.
That's a big one.
Yeah, they do the football, it's quite friendly in there. They show all the football matches and the rugby matches. The Welsh love their rugby.
Yeah, they do. I don't know about you guys, but I find drives such as this one, where countryside is on the left side and the right side, absolutely beautiful, relaxing, and I could say to die for, but not to die for, to live for. What are your thoughts on countryside drives like this one?
After you might know this, after the slate industry collapsed.
After the what?
So Wales was famous for Welsh slate.
Okay.
So you'll see, actually we haven't seen a quarry, but here and there you will see these old quarries.
Yeah,
and there's a few
dug out.
left, yeah, into the mountainside. So they would, for years and years, that was the main industry, and Welsh slate was shipped all over the world, and it's used as roof tiles. So all these roofs are, these are probably newer ones, but Welsh slate, but the old, it was used worldwide, and it was absolutely the industry for Wales. And when it no longer, I can't remember why, but I guess the world stopped using Welsh slate for roof tiles. Maybe the market shifted, and Wales needed another industry, so they were casting around trying to find something to replace it. So they started importing these trees. I think they came from Norway. And unfortunately, because they're not indigenous, and they, I don't know, maybe they planted them too close, but you know when you're in a forest that's of those trees because there's nothing in it, and then it's dark and nothing's growing on the ground, and that means you're in one of the plantations, really, and they didn't go, well, there's a lot of them, and you can see them. I think this probably is them as well, but they didn't take off as an alternative industry because of that. Because it was slowly going to destroy.
My Starbucks. Lovely drive today on Friday. And Friday Friday the 29th of April 2022. Still in Wales. Somewhere in Wales. I think I should have had a better intro. Okay, hi guys. This is Shumi. Taking you for an afternoon drive in Wales, near Bristol. Let's see how this drive is gonna be. Seems like we are stuck behind a camper van or something. A lot of camping places around here. People come here to relax. Trying to do the same. Lovely day. Beautiful skies. This part of the road is reminding me of the drive down to Leopard Rock Hotel in Zimbabwe. Almost similar. Similar drive, similar curves. Quite sure whether you love drives as well, but I do love drives. Feels like I'm going to the zoo. Great fun. Seeing new places, taking in new sights. And actually the song that's in my head goes like, Dad is taking us to the zoo tomorrow, zoo tomorrow, zoo tomorrow. Dad is taking us to the zoo tomorrow. We can't stay all day. We are going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. How about you, you? You can come too. We are going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. But this is a drive. love this. So I'm taking you for a drive. Wonderful. I think this is the end. Thank you for joining me.